The India story is not just about being a bright spot. That's the word coming in from Hardeep Singh Puri at the Davos summit. Speaking to the Times Network, he sheds light on the government's strategy for India's development, energy consumption, as well as the impact of the Red Sea conflict. Listen in.
India is rapidly developing. We are in a few years' time going to have the world's second largest urban metro system. Urban transport I deal with as part of the Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry. So the India story all round is not just a bright spot on a global scenario which is got a few tension points, many challenges. So India is poised to become from the fifth largest to the fourth and then the third largest economies. And for India, that's a very big thing. I mean, you know, after 190 years of colonial association, we came down to contributing from 25% of global GDP in 1700 to 2% or so. And now we are on the rise.
Sir, are you concerned about the geopolitical situation right now, considering what is happening in the
Red
Sea area?
You have to be concerned. Anyone who deals with geopolitical questions, who deals with issues relating to global trade, you are concerned, but you're not unduly concerned to the point of being worried. I'm convinced, first, to begin with, that none of the state actors involved wants an exacerbation of tensions or wants major conflagration to take place. So to use a pun, I think we will navigate around this also.
All right, that's the view coming in conversation with the Times Network managing editor Mihir Bhatt.